Hi, my name's Ben Seal from CR Real Estate, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour around a perfect family home. This is a 3-bedroom, semi-detached property in a sought-after area of Broadstairs. Let's go and have a look inside. This spacious front room offers plenty of space for the family to watch their favourite TV programmes together. But not to worry, when it's dinner time, you have a separate dining room area to enjoy those family meals. This kitchen has built-in appliances, an under-counter fridge, solid cupboards with plenty of storage for all them sweets and treats. A one-level extension has been added to the rear of this property and is currently being used as an office space. The second part of the extension has a utility room and downstairs toilet for added convenience. This property has 3 separate bedrooms, 2 double bedrooms and a very generous single room. Now the family bathroom has both a bath and a shower, so whether you're in a rush in the morning or you like to have a soak with your favourite book on a Friday night, you have both options. So as you can see, this property has a nice long driveway with a garage at the end of it, and the back of the property has 2 separate patio areas that both capture the sun throughout the day. If you like what you see at this property, give me a call today to book your viewing. Ben Seal from CR Real Estate.